Pulling a cord 50 times, mixing gas and oil. Your ears ringing for an hour. Gas chainsaws are a headache. And in 2026, they're obsolete. I tested 5 electric chainsaws that start instantly and cut like demons. Here's the list. The Greenworks 80-volt 18-inch chainsaw is for people who need serious power without the gas hassle. This thing runs on an 80-volt battery that delivers torque comparable to a 45 cubic centimeter gas saw. I tested it on a 10-inch thick oak log that had fallen in my yard, and it chewed through like butter. No bogging down, no chain stalling. The brushless motor is efficient and quiet. You can actually have a conversation while cutting. The tool-free chain tensioning is a lifesaver. You just turn a dial instead of fumbling with a wrench. The battery life gave me about 60 cuts on 6-inch logs before needing a recharge. One honest piece of feedback, the saw is heavy. The battery adds significant weight, so your arms will feel it after an hour. Also, the 80-volt batteries are expensive if you need a spare. But for homeowners with a few acres or frequent storm cleanup, this electric saw is a gas killer. No fumes, no pull cord rage, just power. Full specs and the best deal are linked in the description below. The DeWalt 60-volt max 16-inch chainsaw is perfect for people already in the DeWalt battery ecosystem. If you own DeWalt tools, you already have batteries. Just buy the bare tool and save money. The saw itself is compact and well balanced, making it ideal for limbing in smaller trees. I use it to clear about 50 feet of overgrown brush and branches, and the lightweight design made overhead cuts much easier than with heavier saws. The chain brake engages quickly, and the wraparound handle gives you multiple grip options. Battery life is solid, about 40 minutes of actual cutting time on a fully charged 9 ampere-hour battery. One feature I genuinely appreciate, the metal bucking spikes bite into bark so the saw doesn't jump. Honest feedback, it's a 16-inch bar, so don't try to fell giant trees. Also, the oil reservoir is small. You'll refill it every couple of tanks. But for homeowners, campers, and property maintenance, this is a reliable, no surprises tool. Check the description for the link and current pricing. The Ego Power Plus CS 1804 18-inch chainsaw is widely considered the best electric chainsaw on the market, and now I understand why. The power is insane for a battery saw. It competes with 50 cubic centimeter gas models. I cut through a 12-inch diameter pine log in under 15 seconds. The chain spins up to 20 meters per second, and the torque never drops even under heavy load. The toolless chain tensioning and toolless bar replacement mean you spend less time fiddling and more time cutting. The battery indicator on the saw itself shows you exactly how much juice you have left. I got over 100 cuts on 4-inch branches with the 5 ampere-hour battery. One genuine downside, the price is high. You're paying for premium performance. Also, the saw is nose heavy, so your wrist will feel it during one-handed use. But for serious property owners, farmers, or anyone who cuts firewood regularly, this is the electric saw to beat. It starts every time, doesn't scream, and won't make you smell like gasoline. Full details in the link are in the description below. The Ryobi 40-volt 16-inch brushless chainsaw is the budget-friendly champion of this list. It's often half the price of the Ego or Greenworks, but it still gets the job done for most homeowners. I tested it on fallen branches, firewood prep, and clearing small trees under 8 inches thick. It handled everything without complaint. The brushless motor gives you more runtime and longer motor life compared to brushed alternatives. The automatic oiler keeps the chain lubricated, and the window lets you see oil levels at a glance. The saw is lightweight, under 10 pounds with battery, so you can use it for hours without fatigue. One honest piece of feedback, it's not as powerful as the 80-volt models. If you try to force it through a thick, wet log, it will slow down. Also, chain tensioning requires a wrench, not tool-free. But for the casual homeowner who needs to trim branches, cut firewood, or clear a few trees a year, this is incredible value. You don't need to spend big money. Link and current pricing are waiting for you in the description. The Oregon CS 1500 is the smartest chainsaw on this list because it sharpens itself. Yes, really. There's a built-in sharpening stone inside the housing. When your chain starts to dull, you pull a lever, and the stone rotates against the chain for a few seconds. I tested this after cutting through dirty, sandy wood that normally destroys a chain. One self-sharpened cycle, and it was cutting like new again. No removing the chain, no separate file or sharpener. The saw is corded, 15 amps, plug into an outlet, so no batteries to worry about. Power is consistent and strong, comparable to a 40 cubic centimeter gas saw. The 18-inch bar is plenty for most jobs. One downside, corded means you need an extension cord and an outlet nearby. Not great for remote properties. Also, the self-sharpener adds weight and complexity. More things that could break. But for homeowners who cut at their own property and hate chain maintenance, this is genius. You'll never cut with a dull chain again. Full specs and the link are in the description below. That's 5 electric chainsaws for 2026, from self-sharpening genius to battery-powered beasts. Gas is dead. Which one are you buying? Comment below. And don't forget to check the description for all the links. Subscribe for more honest reviews. Now go cut something.